Hello my friends, short review about multifunctional little pocket tool. What is it? It's small size tool which can be like a knife, like a bottle opener, fire buckle and a lot of other things, and all are in one device. Let's see it. What we have here and how it working. For my opinion, most useful here is this one bit, which can work with different types. PZT, ordinary, and next one is knife for opening boxes, for something shortcut. I think here is about 4 centimeters, here about 2.5. One side blade, you see it, no lock, and that's all. You should understand, for really using with a lot of function device, it should be really bigger than this one, as for example Victorinox or Laserman, what we see here. But also just compare sizes, weight and all it. I also want to show you as a multi-tool for bike. Let's see. So if you are looking for something like it, in description would be link for text review with more photo, more impressions, and also would be link from AliExpress where you can buy it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.